All right, hey Aparna, this is Pam Amendola. This is Dusty Scorch. He's our engineering teacher here at Dawson County High School, and he's the one who printed out the design that you sent. He's going to go through a couple of things that he's think that might make this a better design for you to print on a 3D printer. All right, so shoot.
So it works great. I like the rubber band slot that you guys added. Printing, one of our printers is able to do it, and it prints in a water-soluble filament for a support material.
What kind of printer is that, Dusty?
It's a Ultimaker 3.
Okay.
And so we can print it and drop this in water, and it dissolves. But if we weren't using that, it might be more difficult. And we only have one of those. If we were going to try and print a whole bunch of these, it would be a 12-hour print, 12-hour print, 12-hour print. So it'd take us, about 2 weeks of printing just to get the 10 to 14 that we need. What I was thinking is if you could take the support disc here with these and you were to detach it from this piece and flip it so that it would print upward like that as a piece, and then print this separate just sitting flat on this edge like that, you could print all three parts at the same time. You really wouldn't need support material. Everything else would be supported and it would probably go a lot faster. Then at that point, all you really have to worry about is finding a way to attach this piece to this piece. And I was thinking maybe, and this is just an idea, if you thickened up the bottom portion here enough to where you could slip a small nut or like a flathead machine screw or something like that down through and then put a nut on the bottom or just something. There's a ton of different, or maybe like a slide together mechanism. There's a ton of different ways you could do it just to make it to where we could print all three pieces at once with no supports on any printer.
Okay.
It might make it a little bit easier.
Okay, wonderful. Thanks so much, Dusty. Appreciate you giving us the first run.